back to Vinayak's kitchen. Today we are going to make Paneer Bhurji. The ingredients are paneer, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, and the spices are cumin seeds, red chili powder, turmeric, coriander powder, salt, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, oil and garam masala. Let's begin. First add 2 tablespoons of oil, then add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it crackle. Add the jeera garlic paste.
Ginger garlic paste.
After 5 seconds, add the onion.
Vinayak, stir it. Stir. Now add the onion. Slowly add the onion. Just you can invert the bowl. Not one spoon. You can just put the bowl. Yeah, slowly. Very good. Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Done.
Enough now. Just stir it once. Stir it nicely.
Once the onions are translucent, we will start to add the tomatoes.
Mix well.
Mix well.
Good job, Vinayak. Are you enjoying this?
Yeah, super enjoying.
Great job. So, are you Master Chef Vinayak?
Yeah,
What's your name from today?
Master Chef Vinayak.
Can you give me a thumbs up? Look here.
Once the tomatoes are soft, add the spices. A pinch of turmeric, half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, and salt as per convenience.
As per taste.
As per taste, mix it well. Don't they look delicious? After the spices release oil, I will add the paneer. Tasty paneer. After the paneer, I will sprinkle.
Mix it well and then sprinkle garam masala.
After adding the paneer, mix it well.
Wow. Looks delicious, Vinayak.
And then add the garam masala. It's almost done. Switch off the gas and garnish with coriander leaves.
Oh, this looks delicious, Vinayak.
Yep, it is because I have made it.
Can you show me a nice thumbs up? Look here, Vinu. Yay.
It's ready.
Ta-da! It's ready.
This Paneer Bhurji is now ready. It can be made in just 10 minutes with very few ingredients. Do try my recipe. Bye. Have a nice day. Here I am enjoying the Paneer Bhurji with some hot parathas. It's just simply delicious. Very, very, very delicious. Bye.
So we have to try your recipe?
Yes, why not?